Ever grappled with the task of calculating time in Excel only to find yourself tangled in a web of negative numbers? Well, you're not alone. It's an issue that has perplexed many. But fear not, there's a simple solution at your fingertips. The key to unlocking this conundrum lies in the use of a specific formula. Instead of simply subtracting the in time from the out time, we use the MOD function. This function can be a game changer when it comes to calculating time in Excel. So, how does it work? First, go to the cell and type in the equals sign, type MOD. Open the bracket following that. Input the out time minus the in time. After this, add a comma and then input the number 1. Close the brackets and voila. You've successfully used the MOD function. But we're not done yet. For the final step, multiply the result by 24. Why 24, you might ask? Because there are 24 hours in a day, and Excel calculates time based on a 24-hour system. So to summarize, the correct formula for calculating time in Excel is equals to mod, open bracket, out time minus in time, comma, 1, close bracket, multiplied by 24. This formula will help you avoid the dreaded negative numbers and provide you with the correct calculation. And there you have it. A foolproof method to calculate time in Excel without the headache of negative numbers. It's simple, it's effective, and it's a tool that every Excel user should have in their arsenal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscription button. Your support helps us create more content like this. Until next time, goodbye and happy calculating.